Hi guys, this is going to be an impromptu video just showing you my package from Miss New Jersey Hair Gallery. And yeah, I just stepped in the house. It's like after 9 in the night. I just got the package, so I want to open it on video so I can see what is in there. So let's see. So it came. What's going on here? My gosh. Oh my god. Look at the pretty packaging. It's in a satchel. One, two, three. And they're so pretty. I like the ribbons. Let's take out one of them. Woo. Soft. Very soft. Kitty, you like it? No, Kitty. She's just here looking. Oh my. This is beautiful. Thank you. Just some pretty curves. My. Okay, that's the one. Beautiful. I love the curves on these. My baby in the back. Spoiled. Spoiled cat. And the last one. I love this ribbon. It's just so cute. It's glittery. Nice. Just love the curls. Brazilian curly. Here. Alright guys. Short video. Very short. I just want to thank Miss New Jersey Hair Gallery again, Flag Girl 31. Thank you very much. And Lyric, thank you for hosting the contest. And yeah, bye guys.